Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in for another video. As you guys can see right behind me, I still have the Challenger. I didn't get rid of it. My last video was just pretty much an April Fool's joke, and I would never get rid of this car. There are a lot of things I've done to this car. I have a lot of memories built up with it, and ever since I put the shaker hood on the car, honestly guys, I would never get rid of it. But I thought it would be kind of funny just to make that quick video for you guys, and yes, it was just an April Fool's joke. And anyways guys, I kind of did lie. I said I wasn't going to do anything else to my car, but recently I actually upgraded my rear suspension to a fully adjustable on-car BMR suspension, and my overall goal with that, guys, was to actually just improve my overall traction. Didn't really improve my contact patch. The suspension is adjustable where I could get that done if I wanted to. It's kind of questionable though if I want to upgrade my actual springs, probably to the 1320 springs, just to help with the weight transfer to the back. And there's other things I kind of do want to do with my Challenger, but I'm not really sure if I want to do that or invest that money back in the Barracuda, because I do have a car show coming this weekend, Van Nuys Spring Fling, and I do have a little shopping list that I'm gonna actually try to look for. First of all, I'm gonna try to get the pedals for my car. I'm gonna try to get a whole grill assembly for the Barracuda. But yeah, this is the year for the Barracuda. If everything works out, we should be able to get this car at least primered, and I'm hoping painted. But let's see guys, it all depends on me on how much work I actually put in dedication. But there's a lot of things going on right now, but I'm trying to make the time for this car now. So anyways guys, let me show you the rear suspension real quick. It's getting a little late already, so let me go ahead and just pull my tire off and I'll show you what I did real quick. All right, so I got the car jacked up already. I'm gonna just go ahead and break all these lug nuts loose with my handy dandy impact wrench. And okay. Alright guys, so go ahead and just take off this wheel real quick and I'll show you what I did to my suspension. It's a little dirty right now because I've been driving my car, and my drag radials are actually getting a little old. The rubber is not so soft, so the best 0 to 60 I've been able to manage, and it's still getting a lot of slip, is like 4 seconds flat. But everything has to be perfect conditions. I gotta like really take the air out of these tires for me to grip. I mean. But overall they're still good. It's just they're not as sticky as the way they used to. But anyways, the suspension right here that we got, you guys can see we got BMR upper control arm, we got the BMR upper trailing arm, and we got the BMR lower trailing arm. I thought about getting the toe adjustment, but I don't really think it's necessary for my car. Honestly, the factory one is adjustable and it has good bushings in it, so all I really wanted was just the overall strength of my rear end to increase by using these components. I can tell you guys right now that overall the wheel hop is mostly gone. I still have a little bit of wheel hop, but it's a huge improvement guys, and I am really satisfied with the way my car is taking off from the line now. We'll see what else I do to it, but I'm trying to focus more of my funds onto the Barracuda now. But let me go ahead and put these tires back on guys, and put this back up, get this on the ground. All right, got the tire back on, everything nice and tight. All I really got to do now is just torque everything down to 111 foot-pounds. But let's go ahead and release this jack. Oh man, that's kind of tight. All right, give me a second. Give me a second, guys. Here we go. Yeah, there it is. All right, so overall, I'm really enjoying this BMR suspension, but I am noticing one thing that is a little slightly different from my stock suspension. I can feel that the suspension, it's moving and traveling a lot easier. It's not so restricted. So I do feel the road a little bit more. And the bumps, I do feel them more too. So any potholes, I gotta be kind of careful, because the ride's a little stiffer in the back now. I like the way my car feels off the line. It is gripping a lot better. So with these drag radials I have, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to beat my 3.8 0 to 60, even though my suspension is a lot better now. We'll see if I ever upgrade to I don't know, some NT55R 2, but any decent drag radial, you know, should be able to grip. But anyways guys, just wanted to make this video to give you a quick update on the car. My plan for this weekend, I'm going to Van Nuys. Hopefully we can find some real good parts that I'm looking for. And anyways guys, I'd like to know what you guys think about my BMR adjustable suspension. Did I really go with the right way, or would you guys recommend something else? I know it's a little late, but it is what it is guys. That's what I picked and that's what's installed. So anyways, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys till next time.